To customize and use Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the display options, and then we can scroll down and activate our Edge panel with this switch. When it's activated, you should see that Edge panel sticking out on the right or left side. To call it out, you need to perform a swipe like this, which will show it, and then you can access any icons. But now we also want to customize it, so let's enter the Edge panel settings by clicking on itself like this, and then we can go for a panels. That way you'll be able to switch between different preset panels that are available. For example, you can add people, tasks, or anything from this list that you like. In this case, I'm going to focus on the apps right here. We can edit that panel and then add or remove any apps from this list. So for example, let's add Facebook and Gemini. Then we have those two apps added. We can go back and customize the handle itself. So if you like, you can change the color for the handle so it's much more visible. You can change the position to the left or right side of the phone and adjust how transparent it should be. You can then also change the size for it when it comes to the height and also width. Then we have the option to show it in the landscape mode. That means if you rotate your phone, it will still be visible if the option is active. And that way we've just customized our Edge panel. If we call it out, we should be able to find those icons that we've selected, and we can always customize it by clicking on the pen button right here as well. And there's apps on above, which most of them comes from the Galaxy AI features. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.